the return of the kit car Grandmaster. Tim Dutton unveils the Phaeton 5 after nearly 4 decades away from the traditional kit car market. Automotive legend Tim Dutton is making a comeback. Following a successful era building amphibious vehicles, Dutton has returned to his roots with the launch of the Phaeton 5, marking his first standard kit car in 37 years. A legacy built in a shed. To understand the significance of this return, one must look at the scale of Dutton's early success. During the 1970s and 1980s, his company was the global leader in kit car production by volume. Between 1967 and 1989, Dutton sold over 8,000 kits, maintaining a consistent output of roughly 363 units per year. This period earned him the title of the Grandmaster of kit cars. However, after decades of high-volume manufacturing, Dutton stepped away from the scene at the end of the 1980s to pursue new engineering challenges. The amphibious interlude, Dutton's hiatus from standard kit cars, was not a period of inactivity, but rather a pivot toward niche engineering, driven by a personal desire for a vehicle that could navigate both land and water. He spent 28 years developing a series of amphibious vehicles. His lineup of aquatic-capable machines included the Mariner Commander Amphijeep Reef Surf by the time he sold the amphibious project to a Polish agent in 2023. He had produced 282 specialized vehicles. While these models offered a unique lifestyle appeal, allowing drivers to literally drive out of rivers and onto jetties, they represented a departure from the high-volume kit car market that originally made his name. The Phaeton 5. Adapting to a new era, the new Phaeton 5 represents a second chapter for Dutton, developed alongside his longtime collaborator, Jack Gorski. This latest model is not merely a reissue of his previous work. It is a modernized evolution designed for contemporary drivers. The most notable changes involve scale and ergonomics. Increased dimensions. Recognizing that driver demographics have changed over the last 37 years, the MK5 is noticeably larger than its predecessor, the MK4. Improved comfort. Dutton noted that the snug fit of older models is no longer practical for modern users, leading to a more spacious cabin design. Striking aesthetics. The debut model features a bold Lamborghini Verde Scandal gel coat, giving the vehicle a vibrant, high-visibility presence. Why this matters: the return of a veteran manufacturer like Dutton highlights a shift in the kit car industry. While the hobby remains rooted in nostalgia, successful modern entrants must balance classic driving dynamics with modern ergonomic standards. Dutton's decision to enlarge the chassis suggests that even in the niche world of kit cars, manufacturers can no longer ignore the physical realities of a changing consumer base. Why not? I can't retire. What on earth would I do? Tim Dutton on his return to manufacturing. The Phaeton 5 marks the transition of a legendary builder from specialized amphibious niches back to the mainstream kit car market, updated for the physical requirements of the 21st century driver.